Sal here, one of the co-founders of DudeMeds. I'm going to explain today a little bit about dosing TRT subcutaneously. So there's multiple dosages that you're going to go by. You're going to follow your provider's instructions, and typically it's going to be broken up into twice weekly injections. So if you are doing 150 milligrams per week, that is going to be 2 injections of about 0.375. So you're going to get your syringes, and it's coming down all the way to 100 units. Typically on your prescription, it's going to tell you exactly how many units it is. But the testosterone, doing a little math here, is 200 milligrams per ml. So this full syringe is 1 ml syringe. So if you fill this entire thing, it is 200 milligrams of testosterone. So some of the guys that are dosed for 200 milligrams per week are going to be taking 0.5 ml or 50 units twice weekly. So when you inject, you're going to draw out all the way down to that 0.5 ml or 50 units as shown on the syringe. There you have it. It's super simple. Don't forget to get your TRT on our website today.